Check out this scenario. You have a weekly scheduling meeting every week, but no one comes prepared, there's no agenda, the meeting runs long, and when it's over, no finalized schedule for the next 1 to 3 weeks. Does this sound familiar? I'm Leslie Skelly. Thanks for joining me for a quick scheduling tip on how to run an effective weekly scheduling meeting. The purpose of the weekly scheduling meeting is to discuss any changes to the draft weekly schedules. The outcome is a finalized schedule. When everyone walks out of the meeting, they are committing to the execution of that schedule. A few key elements of the weekly meeting are, first off, it's imperative that there's a meeting agenda. This will assist to keep that meeting on track. A meeting facilitator needs to be assigned and a backup needs to be trained. Attendees are present and come prepared. Ensure you establish meeting ground rules such as start and end meeting on time, one conversation, pay attention, and listen to others. Focus on the purpose and deliverables of the meeting. Lastly, review and discuss KPIs. After the meeting, don't forget to post or communicate the weekly schedules. Check out IDCON.com for a free PDF download of meeting agendas for work management. It is tailor-made for busy managers and packed with ready-to-use templates that will assist with implementing effective and efficient maintenance meetings. Good luck, and let me know how it goes.